Welcome, here I've got Huawei Mate 40 Pro 5G and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it we can open the advanced camera settings. At the first place we have aspect ratio option, so let's pick it. And here we can manage this. So this is the camera frame. Now we are in 3 and 2, the recommended one. Let's pick 1 and 1. And let's go back to the camera preview to see it. As you can see, the background has changed to the square one. Now let's move again to the right corner to aspect ratio and pick the full screen. And in the camera preview it looks like that, so this is the full camera frame. And of course by tapping again on this button in the right corner, the aspect ratio, we can easily go back to 3 and 2, the recommended. And to remind you, this is how it looks like. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.